Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. You are watching and listening to Miss Amaira Jyoti on Speak Up Hesitations, and you guys are on Speak Up Hesitations as well. I was just figuring out what could be the next topic to have a conversation on, and I thought let's just have a normal walk talk related to New Year resolution. And this is the third video. I'm wishing you all a very happy New Year. I want all of you to have extremely happy New Year, and I'm not lying about it, okay? I'm literally saying it from the bottom of my heart. So most of the time when we make resolution, it's because they sound fancy. And then at the end of the year, sitting at a corner, giggling, laughing, what could be the reason we didn't stick to our resolution? But at the end of the day, what really matters is you're happy, you're healthy, your mental peace is in a good place. Rest, everything else, ups and downs keep happening throughout our lives, right? Do not regret if you have something that is still pending, still there to do, because there's one thing I keep telling to myself is that there's always another day to recover all the losses. All right. So, and this thought really never lets me feel down. So, the whole idea of resolution usually comes up around New Year, right? It's usually when people decide, now I'm going to change something about myself. Now I'm going to improve something about myself. It's like I'll start to work out, or I'll stop procrastinating, or I'll start to learn how to cook, stuff like that. I feel like resolution is a kind of goals, people set for themselves, that to improve themselves, or to make a change, or to decide that I have to do something better in life. But I feel like honestly, resolution, like it's a very tricky thing to follow. It feels good to set them, but sticking to resolutions is like very tricky, because sometimes I feel like when you force yourself to act in a certain way, to feel in a certain way, or to work in a certain way, there is a probability of failing, because you're making resolutions without determination. And if determination factor is missing, today or tomorrow you will get that feeling of giving up mentally. And I've always experienced throughout my life, like till now, that mental give up is really a physical give up. That's why we end up thinking that resolutions really never gets completed. Right? And determination, I feel like determination is the only factor that helps us keep going, or that really helps us accomplish the task. I can truly feel you guys that everyone's excited on January 1 saying, wow, new year, new me. But by February, most of us are like, where's the new me? The thing here is, we don't have to wait for a new year to make some changes or start to make some changes. We can improve anything, anywhere, anytime. Just like I'll start reading more this month, or I'll spend more time with family this weekend or this week. And even if you mess up or fall behind, that's okay. There's no need to feel traumatic about it. You can always get back on track, because we have to keep things easy going as well, because we don't want our mental health to be hampered at all. The key is to make your goal feel easy and not like a big, stressful challenge, right? And it's also really very important to break down your goals into small steps, and you'll keep making progress. We will keep making progress, right? And even if you don't accomplish every single goal of yours at the end of the year, you still tried, and that's a win. And this is how you self motivate yourself as well. If you can figure out this, you're already halfway there. So if you're making resolution just for a day, no, I mean, if you're making resolution just for a year, it really feels good that you want to improve yourself. You want to bring some good change in you, but calm down as well, okay? Take it in a sporty spirit, okay? Easiness should be there. 1 year resolution is just a part of a journey. Don't be so hard on yourself. The goal or the key is not to make you feel like a very tough or a huge, massive task, but more like a fun, small activity or a challenge, just to know yourself better, just to know that how much you can actually push your limit. So, resolution shouldn't be something like a massive thing that makes you feel bad if you mess up things. Also, the beauty of resolution is they don't need to be perfect at all. Who says you need to stick to them 100%? Life is messy, and we all are just trying to give our best, right? So, it's okay to say sometimes, I'm gonna wake up early and hitting the snooze button until it's 11 a.m. So sometimes it's really okay. It's about vibe, not just about exact outcome all the time. And maybe the best resolution isn't even a goal. Maybe the best resolution is just a feeling we want this year. So sometimes keeping things simple is really a thing we have to go for. And I have to tell you this, that I have never made resolution in my life, but I'm sure that most of you are making resolutions. Most of you will make resolutions. Go for it, but don't regret at the end of the year if you mess up on something, because I think now you can guess that why I have to say this to you all. So good luck, good luck, good luck. Please enjoy, everybody. Take care of your mental health, take care of your physical health, take care of your heart too. And keep watching Speak Up Aspirations, because here we talk about just talking about. I'll see you in the next, and bye for now.